We have another one. It is Skin Tint Era. I'm feeling like for the fall, the winter, ending of summer, we're just going light. I don't know, but you guys know I still like me a nice matte look, but we're gonna give this a go. This is the Milani. This is the Glow Hydrating Skin Tint. It has 29% squalene. That's the skincare component. Let's just get right into it. I do have some specs on my phone, so we can go over it. It's not too much, and I'm getting it right off of the website, so it's not really giving me much that I want to hear from, you know, but we're gonna go with it. So I'm gonna put some primer on. I did my brows to kind of speed the process up, but we just want to keep it nice, cute, and simple. One thing that I'm gonna be looking for is how glowy it is, because you know, even though you can go a little bit more luminous and a little bit more dewy in the fall because you don't have the sun, everything glistening on you and kind of melting your foundation or your skin tint or moisture or your, I can't even get it out, tinted moisturizer away. You can kind of go a little bit more on the dewy side when the weather's cooling down. So here we are. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to use, you know what? I'm going to play it safe. I am going out, so I'm going to play it safe. I'm going to use, I don't even have it in front of me, y'all. I have changed around this room a million times. We're gonna use the e.l.f. Okay, this is the pink one, the Power Grip with the skincare component. I've been changing this room around like 55,000 times, but I think I've gotten to where I want it to be. I like this setup. I like this. This is pretty much it. I know how to get a good picture. I know how to get a good video. I like this. So we're gonna stay here. This is what we're gonna do. Okay. So let's get into it. Ultra Luminous Skin Tint. I have shade 410, and y'all gonna kill me because y'all always be like, Kelly, bring your glasses with you, okay? It says, I can see this much. It says sheer to light coverage. And you know what? A lot of this is sheer to light. Nothing is medium. Nothing is medium to full. Everything is sheer to light. It's pretty much to look like, I guess, like that tinted moisturizer, like skin, bed and skin, you know, situation. Melt into skin for naturally dewy glow. We love that. Let's get into it. I'm just going, okay, you don't gotta shake. It's not really like that. Oh, we love this. Don't we love this when we are the first ones? It's one thing that I hate is going into a drugstore, getting a foundation, and I get home and it's already open. And I don't want to open it in the store or anything like that, but ooh, okay. Okay, y'all, we had to change cameras, okay? We are on my phone. This is not looking bad. I like this. But however, let's get into it. I put a little bit right here. This is matching my skin tone very, very well. Again, this is in shade 410. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna take a little bit and put it over here. Do you guys see this? This looks good. And let me tell you something. I'm just being honest with you guys. I was like, this ain't gonna work. Ooh, do it smell good? Smell like something. Y'all, this looks good. This looks good. I don't know if it's because I'm on my phone, but this looks good. Let's keep on going. The only thing I'm gonna have a problem with is like the dew and the luminous stuff. That's what gets me. Like, it looks healthy, it looks nice, you know, it's giving what it needs to give. But let's see. I definitely like how it goes on. It's nice and light, even though it came out more on the thicker side versus on the watery side. Okay. So, like I was saying, I like how this is going on. Let me scoot you down some. Okay. I like this. Oh my God, not on the phone. This looks good. I like this little crisp quality going on. Okay. Looking good, you know, downward, you know, of the face. We're gonna work on the top. I really don't want to squeeze any more out because when you squeeze more, that just, you know, we just want to work with what we have. I did one squeeze and it was kind of a light squeeze at that. From what I'm feeling, like I said, you can see the glow. You see the glow. The glow is there, hardcore. That's gonna be my only concern because through the course of the day, I'm not an oily girl by any means, but through the course of the day with, you know, sweating or just moving around, you're definitely gonna have your own natural oil seep through. So I try to eliminate that, or slow it down, if you will, slow it down by wearing something a little bit more on the matte side. Okay, but this is a skin tint, so Kelly, stop talking about foundation, you know, get it together. I like it. It's very natural. It's very natural. I like this for maybe work from home, in the office. It's nice and light. It's giving you nice. It's giving you Zoom Teams. You know, when you're in your team, this is giving that right now. Like if I don't want to put on any makeup, eyebrows are done, skin's looking fresh, look, I had a good night rest, and all the things. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I am, just for kicks and giggles, we want to see how this actually holds up. I'm about to go out, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Let me squeeze a little bit more. Okay. And you see how good it blends? I like this. This is good. We like this. Okay, let's put on some makeup, and I'm gonna come back and just kind of like, you know, just pull it together. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put on my Milani. I love this stuff. And I'm almost out. This is the Milani Superstay. You guys are getting up close and personal. I cannot believe this. Well, anywho, while we're doing this, how's your week going? How's everything? And don't forget, I do have a giveaway going on my channel, depending on when this video comes out. I hope this video goes out before the giveaway is over, but if you did not get to the giveaway, it's okay. It's gonna be some more, and I think my next one we're probably gonna do like maybe makeup. I don't know. We'll see. But look at this. Look at this. Now this is Superstay. So this particular concealer, it dries down. Okay, so I'm gonna go for a nice, just cool look today. I'm not gonna go for nothing too crazy, because I'm all about face. I'm all about, you know, I'm not really an eyeshadow gal. You know, I like eyeshadow, don't get me wrong. But my thing is, when it comes to, if you're gonna wear makeup, you know, have your skin looking put together. You know, that's what's important to me. You know, everybody jam is different, but my thing is, if you're gonna wear makeup, just have your skin looking good, and then everything else will fall into place. Got some good eyebrows going on, mascara, a little lip gloss. That's all you need. You don't need much. Okay, so I need you guys to give me some help. We're gonna do like an all drugstore thing going on. We're gonna kill it with the drugstore makeup look with this. So we just did that. We used our I'm getting all turned around. We used our Superstay. Let's go on with our Black Radiance. Ladies, recommend me something. I'm going to definitely do a drugstore makeup haul. We're gonna go together. I can't wait. I think that's gonna be so much fun. Just us playing in makeup. I'm not sure if we should do Walmart or if we should do Target. It'll be one of the two. If it's Walmart, I'm thinking like, I gotta pick a good Walmart, because sometimes these Walmarts, they be going, and it's not Walmart, it's the customers, you know. They'll go in there, open up things and whatnot. So we gotta find one where we know we're gonna be able to get some good stuff, okay? So I'm using the same brush. I'm just gonna bronze. And I just go like this, I take it. See that? Make this crazy face. I get my hairline. And I like to do this because this helps with, like say if you don't blend your foundation out really good, or whatever you choose to use, you bronze up and it kind of like just diffuses all what's going on in there. And it gives you a shadow, make you look like that. We like that. And then, you know, since we here, we might as well go ahead and use the highlight. Might as well go ahead and just use the highlight, keep everything all together. Now, this is why I love this palette, because, you know, I'm just putting the highlight on anywhere where the light will hit me. You guys see this? This is coming out pretty good, y'all. Now, let me tell you why I like palettes like this, or they're multi-use. Not only can you use it for your contouring, bronzing, all the things, you can also use it as an eyeshadow. I'm pulling up. You can also use it for eyeshadow, just to kind of deepen in the crease area. Put a little bit on the lid. You don't have to go too heavy. This is why I like this. I like multi-use products. I just love it. Because one, it helps with your makeup bag. Like when you're traveling and whatnot, it helps with not having too much stuff, not worrying about if you're gonna break something. It just works out, okay? And you know, and nothing's neat. I'm just having a good time with the brush, putting everything on. We got that. Now, ooh, I don't have a drugstore mascara. Ooh. Well, I'll get a pass. I'm gonna go ahead and get my brows in order because I'm sitting here playing around. I use the Physicians Formula. Let me tell y'all something. I'm on this phone and the camera is right here. And when I had the camera flipped the other way, I kept looking this way. And now I'm looking this way. And the camera, y'all, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. So for line, I'm gonna use e.l.f. I'm gonna do a little small one. I got y'all so close. Y'all can see everything I'm doing. I like this. Okay, let's go. You see? Okay. Liner is on. Look at me showing out. So my mascara, I have Westman Adler. I think how you say it. Westman 8-layer? 8-layer? Something like that. It's very expensive. This is a sample when I was in Nordstrom's. So we're just gonna put this on. So forgive me for not having a drugstore mascara. I did have Essence. I also had a few, but I threw them out because you know after a while, you know, they get a little wonky. And I knew that I had a whole bunch of samples. I was like, you know what, Kelly, before you start buying any mascara, just go ahead and use your samples up. So here we are in sample land. We are in sample land. Oh, it can't be a drugstore makeup look because I don't have a drugstore powder. All I have is this Fenty one. Y'all, we are in trouble. We gotta go shopping. We gotta go shopping because you know, drugstore is a must. You just can't, you gotta have some drugstore makeup. So let me get it together and stop playing around. Y'all, this is coming out so good. I hope when I edit this is looking just like this. This looks good. This looks great. All right, looking good. You know what? Just gonna call this using mostly drugstore. How about that? Using mostly drugstore. We don't have to put any more highlight. I think we're glowing enough with the tinted with this skin tint in addition to the highlight I put on her. I think we're doing pretty good. So we have that on. Blush. I want to use something different today. I want to use a berry. I have these. One is from Milani, one's from Black Radiance. What do you guys think? This one's a cream blush, and this one is a normal, you know, powder. Since we're using Milani, let's just stick with this one. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Okay. Ooh. She's a clean brush. Which that is? Okay, we're gonna use this one. Okay. And this one is called, I believe it's Merlot. Yes. Ooh. 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 Go slow. Go slow. Okay. We just want a little flush. We don't want much. We do not want much. I am not here to give clown. I want to give flush. Okay. We like that. Just a little bit. Put a little bit up here. Kind of bring it all together. And you can also, what I've seen, never tried, putting this blush like in your on your lid. Try it next time. You know, we going slow. We're going slow. You guys know. Slow. Okay, lips. We're gonna keep it super simple. I'm gonna use what I have in front of me, which is absolutely nothing. Okay. Oh, I have a little lip combo. Hold tight. Okay, so we can hang it up. We can hang it up with the drugstore. But this is Sephora's brand. So this is like, you know, Sephora collection. That's like the more affordable side of Sephora. So we're gonna use this is called, oh my God, what's this called again? Molasses. Yes. Let's use this one. Oh, let me tell you guys. So I did a Instagram post where it was you know, a lip combo, and I used this one. And somebody commented on my thing saying, ew, that lip line is too something. And then I just said thank you for watching. You know, I'm not about, you know, the mean girl. I'm not gonna do that. And the girl came back, or whoever, the guy, the girl, whoever came back and was like, why does women want to be something, I'm not saying verbatim, so masculine? So I didn't know what to say. I was like, what do you mean? What are you talking about? Never said anything. I don't know if they wanted me to be like, what are you talking about? Like getting real angry, something like that, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just not. If I feel it's gonna keep going on, I'll just block you. You know what I mean? It's not that serious. So I know she was probably referencing to my haircut or something like that, but you got some women out here. This is the Sephora lip collection. This is in number 7. This is one of their matte lipsticks. There's some women out here who got the longest hair, the longest, with the most wigs, most weaves, whatever the case may be, and still not feminine. You know what I mean? You got women running around like me with no hair and more feminine than anybody. So, you know, it's just like, I don't know, people, I don't know if it's misery loves company, I don't know. But, I like to blend it out a little bit. But Sephora collection is so nice. So the skincare is nice. All of it is just nice. All of it. Okay. Now we're gonna use the this is Lost. This is Sephora as well. Oh, yes. I think this is just who? Yes, honey. y'all know these little eyes of mine. I don't know why I don't have my glasses over here. They by my computer, but they're not over here. I'm gonna put an extra pair. And I got plenty. You know, we all keep a bunch of readers. Go to the Dollar Tree, get some readers. You can go Amazon, get some readers. I mean, Dollar Tree readers is nice too. They got colors. So for setting spray, I'm gonna use my Morphe. I really wanna use my one size, but I don't want to use that up until I can get me another one, because y'all, that stuff is slim picking. I'm gonna go see if I can find some tomorrow. But nevertheless, this is nice. This is more on the put a lot of powder on your face. This will kind of, you know, bring everything down. But what I am gonna do, I'm giving good glow right now. I'm giving healthy skin. Since I just put that on, I'm going to put some more powder. And this will help me combat any oils, you know, right away. I like it. We like that. Let me know if you want more tutorials. We can go step by step. We can go do a whole hour just taking our time playing in makeup. Let me know if you want that. Okay, ladies, here you have it. This is the Milani Glow. This is it right here. It's the Hydrating Skin Tint with squalene in it. Y'all, this is it. I hope I'm saying that word correct, because you guys know I will chop a word up in a minute. But I'll get it together, though. I will get it together. This is it, y'all. This is in shade 410. So far, so good. I like it. I'm going to go out. I'm going to wear it. I'm going to see how it works. You know, see if I get any, like, you know, your pores. Because sometimes I don't have large pores or anything like that. I'm good in this area. But, you know, through the course of the day, you can definitely see like separation of your foundation and of your makeup. So I'm gonna report back, and if you guys see it again, you know it's a good go. Okay, this is nice and healthy, and this is a good match. So if you are my skin twin, 410 is for you.